Hey guys, LJ here, and today I wanted to share with you this gorgeous diamond necklace. I did receive this as a gift from Certified Moissanite Diamonds so that I could try out their products and share my thoughts and opinions with you. And this is an absolutely stunning piece of jewelry. And the quality of the presentation, the jewelry itself, the whole thing just was so impressive to me. If you were giving this as a gift, this is the neatest little packaging. So it has a tiny LED light in there. Let me turn my light off and see if I can show this to you better. So that when you open this box, this light comes on and just makes that diamond even prettier, just sparkle for you. So if you're giving this as a gift, to open it up and it immediately is just bright and shining is such a neat little feature. I just find that so impressive. This is absolutely beautiful. They also sent me over this adorable little cleaning or carrying case for travel, so that you can put your like your rings and your necklace in there, zip it up nice, and then you can attach it inside a bag. So you're not losing your jewelry. It looks just like the cutest little carrying case for, you know, someone may think this is lip balm or something, and yet you've got your jewelry in here. Cutest little case, very nice quality to this. I don't know if this is actual leather. I don't think it is. It's some other kind of nylon type material, I think, but it is super sturdy feeling and just the nicest quality inside. I will pause this video and I'm going to put this necklace on to show you how beautiful this is on, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I've taken it out of its box and I wanted to show you that it has a nice long chain here, and we have some additional adjustments here that I can make to make it even longer. So it is a good length for multiple sizes that you would want it to be if you want to choke it up a little higher or if you want it a little longer. So I will now put this on and demonstrate it. I will put it about halfway and we'll see how that looks. Okay, so now I have the diamond on and you can see that this sits at a beautiful, perfect length. It is great for a top like this. It just showcases the front of this with a beautiful sparkling diamond. This diamond just shines. It is absolutely beautiful. This is a 2-carat D-color VVS1 clarity. That is the highest level you can get. It is beautiful, high quality diamond. Now I am about halfway on the chain here. So if I had like a lower V-neck type top on and I wanted to drop this more into a cleavage look, there's a little more room on the adjustment chain that I could drop this down lower. Or if I wanted this to sit up closer to my collarbone in a scoop neck, or just to sit it up on my skin with a lower neck top, this does have the extra length in the adjustment that I could bring this up shorter as well. So it has a great length for multiple options of outfits and ways to showcase this beautiful diamond and to make your outfits look polished and complete. This comes as a gift set, so it is ready to be gifted if you want to do that, and it comes with just a beautiful presentation. So you get the gorgeous box that has that very pretty LED light in it. You get a jewelry cleaner with a nice little brush on there that is, I've already tried this out. It is so handy and does such a great job. You get the certified grading report, very official looking, very sturdy certificate in here that gives you all the information about the cut and the color of this diamond, and just looks so official. It also comes with a cleaning cloth, and then they throw in a little perfume oil, high quality luxury perfume oil. This one is a Pure Passion luxury oil. It smells amazing. So if you purchase the carrying case from them, and then you get these little oils here, you're ready to take your jewelry with you wherever you go and keep it nice and secure. Have a little piece of perfume that you can carry with you. I love carrying small things like this on trips so that I don't carry my larger perfume bottles. This smells amazing. It's just such a great combination kit, so well put together, and the quality of the diamond just speaks for itself. It is absolutely beautiful. Let me see if I can get up even closer so you can really see that shine. It is just a beautiful, I don't know if I can turn it so the light will catch that better. It is a beautiful little diamond. Just a great size to wear. You can wear this in casual or dress it up. It just is a perfect size. I would absolutely recommend this brand. This is CMD, or Certified Moissanite Diamonds is the brand. You can find them on Amazon. Beautiful diamond. I would recommend. I hope this review helps. I hope you're having a great day, and thanks for watching.